Good evening. So let's review for activity number 9, which is converting fractions to decimals and vice versa. So our rational number is any number that can be expressed in the form a over b, where a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0. So in short, it is a fraction. Okay, a bar called the vinculum is placed above the repeating block. So, mana siya? Kaning vinculum is connected kani, for example, ani. Okay, fractions to decimal. So, 2 over 5. So, kaning 2 over 5, ingani ni siya. Imuhang mahimo ning imo ning i-divide si 2 and 5. So si 2 mooy dividend and then si 5 mooy divisor. So in short, kadi si 2 is nasa sa nga. And then baro-baro na lang. Yeah, wait a minute. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, system niya kayo pagagi ay 2 divided by 5. Okay, so 2 divided by 5 is cannot be right, so it's gonna 0. So we have to borrow another 0. Borrow tag 0. So decimal, it is a decimal point ha. So mag-decimal point pa tayo ning dapita. Okay, 20 divided by 5 is 4, right? So 4. 4 times 5 is 20. So 20 minus 20 is ila 0. So therefore, 2 over 5 is equals to ila man 0.4. So, yan na siya. So, mura pag imong buhaton ani nga second example, negative 3 over 7. So, negative 3 will be the dividend and 7 will be the divisor. So, ingat rin yapon nga method. Okay, it is negative because one of them is negative. Kung pareha gani sila sign, numerator and denominator, for example, they are both positive or they are both negative, your answer is always positive. Nya kay isa ra man ka negative sa numerator man, so the answer is negative. Okay, let's proceed to this one. Letter C. 4 and 2 over 3 or 4 2/3. So kung imo nang i-multiply ni si 4 and 2/3, I know i-convert it to decimal, mo come up siya og 4.666 asa tama ng 6 ah. So in short, imo ra nang i-insert kana kung unsay nagbalik. Dili nimo i-round up ha, kung unsa ra nagbalik nga digit. So nagbalik man ni si 6, so 4.6. Okay. So let's proceed to, yun na ang fractions to decimals, right? Let's proceed to decimals to fractions. So decimals means can I point, decimal point. So, okay. Yan na siya. Nanay siya technique. Okay. Saan di mo ma-zoom? Okay, ang technique kani is, di ba kani si 4 is a 10th term, kanang th. Then 5 will be the 100th. So na th. And then kani si 0 is ones, then tens, hundreds, na. Pero wala na siya th. Kaning dapita is kani sa left side of the decimal point, ang left side ani is whole number, then the right side is dili whole number, it's a fraction. So asa man nagpilong si 5, unsa nga place? It's 100 place, right? So your denominator will be 100. And then 45 man ni, so 45 over 100. And then imo na siyang i-simplify. So we have to find common factors. So unsa may common factors ni 45 and 100? So si 5, right? So 45 divided by 5 is 9. 100 divided by 5 is 20. So 9 over 20. Naa pa ba yung common factor ni si 9 and 20? So wala na. So therefore, your 0.45 is equals to 9 over 20. Okay, let's proceed to B, 0.11. So 0.11 is a repeating decimal. So let n is equals to 0.11. So mani, then repeating block is 1. So it has only one digit. So ang gabalik-balik man is 1, right? So only one digit. So we have to multiply both sides of n equals 0.11 by 10. Kay 1 digit naman, so 10. So 10, kung 2 digits kani ang nagbalik-balik, so for example 0.36, 36, 36, 36, asa tama na 36 ha. So duha man ka digit ang kabalik-balik na ang 36. So therefore, you multiply both sides by 100. So depende sa pila ka digit ang nagbalik-balik. So kaning example, 1 man ang nagbalik-balik. So multiply by 10. Both sides ha. So ani nga sides is n, right? So n man n equals 0.11. So n times 10 is 10n equals 0.11 times 10 is 1.11. So imuhang i-subtract tong given nga atong imong kinanhan. Imo ning i-subtract, and then the difference is 9n equals 1. So subtract man sa 9n. So atong gipangita is si n. And so para ma-cancel out si 9 sa 9n, we have to divide both sides by 9. So 9n divided by 9 is n, right? And then 1 divided by 9 is 1 over 9. So thus, 0.11 is equals to 1 over 9. So, what the answer? So, yun na. So, how about this one? Tulo na ka-digits. So, tulo man is tenths, hundredths, thousandths place. So, therefore, tulo man ka-digit sa decimal number. So, our denominator will be 1,000. And then, 875 over 1,000. Imo na siyang i-simplify hantod nga kanang answer nimo dili na ma-simplify, dili na ma-dividean. So, sa man ni 875. So, unsa may ana na ang anong ni come up man na og 175. So 875 divided by 5. So 875 divided by 5 is 175. 1,000 divided by 5 is 200. So naapay common kay 5 pa mag 0. So 175 divided by 5 again. So 175 divided by 5 is 35. 200 divided by 5 is 40. And then mga simplify pa man gyapon eh. So by 5 again. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 40 divided by 5 is 8. So ma-divide pa ba nimo ni si 7 over 8? So dili na. So, mauna na imuhang answer. So, yun na. Okay, so convert and follow the steps of that. So, good luck, everyone. Good luck.